So today we're looking at the Modev guitar wall mount. This is a 2-pack guitar hanger. It's even shaped like a guitar head. It can be used for acoustic and electric guitars, ukulele, and mandolins. It's great for home or if you're lucky enough to have a studio. So it's made of quality carbon steel with a classical guitar headstock design, which makes it unique and pretty. It's so sturdy that it can hold up to 50 pounds, which if you have a 50-pound guitar, that's crazy heavy. With the deep V shape designed, it's almost guaranteed that your guitar will be properly placed every time you hang it. The arms are covered with a flexible silicone tube that does not age or deform easily nor damage the guitar surface, which prevents it from falling or being scratched. What I like about guitar wall hangers is that it saves space by allowing you to hang your guitar on the wall, and it just looks fantastic displaying your guitar as a convenient location to hang, and also it becomes a piece of wall art. And you keep it high and away from children around the house. And it comes with all screws and anchors. You can easily install the guitar hanger within minutes, and you will not be disappointed picking up this guitar wall hanger.